Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saad, and in this course, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Excel. After completing this course, the chances of getting an employment will be higher because many companies, either they are big organizations or a smaller company, they need to manage their data. Let's talk about what Excel can do. These are few points, but Excel can do many things. We will learn along with the course. So you can enter and sort data, manipulate data, displaying data visually using charts and graphs. You can perform simple or complex calculations. You can even generate invoices. You can also share that Excel file with your friends, family members, or colleagues. So we'll see more things what Excel can do in this course. This course is for absolute beginners. If you have no knowledge of Excel before, then you are in the right place. I will teach most of the features of the Excel. So that's it for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one.